Hey y'all, it's Hadassah. If you're new here, welcome to HP Life and Style. I make videos related to luxury, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're interested in that type of content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Join the family, join the fun. And if you're not new here, hey girl, how you been? How you been doing? What's going on? Let's get into it. So first of all, if you're not following me over on Instagram, at this point, I don't know why not. You know, I talked about what this video is about today, and I teased it over there. So, you know, Instagram knew it was coming first. So make sure you follow me over on Instagram. Same name is here, HP Life and Style. So if you recall in my video about Louis Vuitton bags under 500, I mentioned that I'm always on the hunt for my birthday bag. So I never expected to get the particular item that I chose. It was not on my radar at all, but I'm excited for it, y'all. I'm really excited for it. So for those of y'all who don't know, what a birthday bag is basically a bag that was made the month and the year that you were born. So for Louis Vuitton, that's really easy to do. I don't know about for other companies, so I wasn't on the hunt for other bags from other brands because I don't know how that works. But you know, Louis Vuitton has historically, they don't now have date codes because they have microchips. But oh, these scissors are to open the package, y'all. But historically, they have had date codes. So it's very easy to say, okay, this is, you know, this is my birthday bag. So I was looking on eBay and someone asked me, because I was looking at my YouTube comments and someone asked for tips on how to find your birthday bag. So I'm incorporating that request into this video. So a super easy way, like I said, I don't know about other brands because I don't know how their serial number and date code systems works. I have no clue. But for Louis Vuitton, I'm thinking that most people who watch my channel are close to my age, slightly younger, slightly older. So what you're going to look for is first take how the date code works. I'll put it up on the screen too. So for me, I was born in October of 1991. So 1091 are the two numbers. So what I would type in on eBay is Louis Vuitton 1901. So the first number is going to be the first number of the month. The second number is going to be the first number of the year. The third number is going to be the second number of the month. And then the fourth number is going to be the second number of the year. I hope that makes sense. But like I said, I'll have it up on the screen. I think once you see it and visualize it, you'll be able to understand. Alternatively, I believe in the 80s, if you were born in the 80s, I've seen bags that just had 3 digits. So for example, if you were born in July of 89, we'll say, I've seen bags that just said 897. So the 89 is the year, and then the 7 was the month. So basically, you'll have to find out like how the Louis Vuitton date codes were being made when like the time period that you were born. I believe most recently they were doing like they had the week on there, but like I said, nobody who's watching my channel just looking for a birthday bag is that young, so you don't have to worry about it. So basically, I would think the standard would be how mine was set up, which is like I said, you're gonna take your month that you were born, the year that you were born, and use the digits accordingly, like I just said. So if you have any questions, like I said, just let me know if it's confusing how I explained it. Hopefully it's not. But anyway, I found my birthday bag because like I said, I was on eBay. I typed in Louis Vuitton 1901 and I finally found a bag that was like, hey, I think I want that. So I am slightly upset about how the package came. Yeah, why does this always happen to me? I don't know. But anyway, They delivered my package to the wrong address. Thankfully, y'all know me. I'm gonna be on my stuff. Okay. So as soon as the email came through, I saw it pop up on my phone, and it was like, your package has been delivered. And I was like, devil is a lie. No, it has not been. I checked both of my cameras. In case y'all don't know, my husband works in smart home security. So my house is cameraed out. Okay, I got a camera at watching the back door and a camera watching the front door. So anytime a package comes, I should be able to see it. So I checked both cameras that are outside. I actually have 3 cameras outside, but I checked both of the cameras directly looking at the ground in front of the doors, and there was nothing there. Y'all, I had to walk around the corner of this building. They always delivering stuff to the wrong address. But like I said, thankfully, I was on it and I went and just picked it up myself. Because ain't nobody got time to be messing with them, y'all. Because if somebody would have took my package, I would have been upset, y'all. It would not have been pretty at all. Not my birthday bag, you know? Not my birthday bag. And so, yeah, without further ado, let's see. Okay. This is the bag. It's really big. So, let's see how I can open this. This packaging, like, it's kind of like thin paper, if y'all can see that. It's not like in a box or anything. But I will say, as far as the shipping was super, super fast. So I ordered this, when did I order this? I ordered this on Sunday afternoon. I ordered it like Sunday afternoon, and it came from Japan. So Sunday afternoon here, was probably like Monday morning there, which is probably why they were able to get it out so quickly, because it's like, hey, got to order, let's ship it out. So I ordered it Sunday, and I'm filming this unboxing on Wednesday, y'all. From Japan. I got it that fast. Originally, they were telling me, originally they were telling me that I was gonna get it Friday, but I saw it had cleared Cincinnati. So basically with DHL, I can tell, like, once it's in Cincinnati and it's been cleared, I'm gonna get it the same day. I have that much experience, at least with the packages and stuff, to know that part at least. So I saw it was in Cincinnati this morning and it had like clear customs. So I was like, oh, am I gonna get my bag today? Am I gonna get it? She got it. Okay, so sneak peek. Can y'all tell what it is? I don't think I'm gonna put it in the title what it is. I'm gonna make y'all guess. I don't think you're gonna know what this bag is unless, like, it's a vintage bag, obviously, because I'm more than 20 years old. But if you just got in a Louis Vuitton, you're definitely not gonna know what it is, so. I mean, I like that it's bubble wrapped and everything. This is big, y'all. Okay. So after the bubble wrap, you have this situation going on. So let's see how I want to open this. Do I have to, oh, I don't have to tear it. Okay. So, like I said, this came from Japan. I'm smelling it to see if it has an odor. I don't think it mentioned that it did have an odor, but you just gotta make sure. Okay, I'm inspecting it, y'all, before I show it to y'all. This is a vintage bag, and I think, I'm gonna tell y'all after I show y'all what I think I'm gonna do with it. But I just wanna see. Okay. Let me back up. So this is the bag. So in case you haven't gathered, this is not like a purse that you're gonna carry around or anything like that. This is a travel piece. So this is the monogram, I believe it's pronounced Alizé 24. That's what this is. So this is a travel bag. It is a suitcase. And that's also what pushed me to buy it, because y'all probably can't tell, but I'm not buying as many handbags as I would if I were like still going into the office and like still going places and everything like that. I'm not buying as many handbags, but I am, you know, sometimes I take a little weekend trips to visit my family and everything. So this piece is perfect. Like, it's literally perfect for that. I've also been using, like, I also love my Cabas Alto for travel because it's really big. The only thing, of course, is that Cabas Alto, it is a tote. It does not have a zip top or anything, so you do have to deal with that. So they made a couple of different styles of this bag. This is the 2-compartment one, and you can see because it has 2 zippers, a zipper right there and one right here on the side. And also one version that they made had it was like a bandolier version. So it had like the Speedy bandolier has the little thing on the side. It has it on the sides. But yeah, this is not the bandolier version, so I didn't get that. But let's see, let me open this up. So it's not in bad condition. The inside looks pretty good. Definitely not in bad condition at all. So that's the inside of it. That's one side, and you see, y'all saw the pocket right here. And is this a wipeable? This feels like a wipeable material as well. So that's good. So the zipper, I will go ahead and say I can tell she's up there. I mean, she has some age on her, so I'll definitely need to get something to like keep her smooth. Oh, it has double zippers for each compartment, so that one is a lot smoother than the other one. But yeah, just stuff you're going to contend with a vintage bag. And then opening up the other side, so the other side is actually leather, if y'all can see that. So that's what it looks like. And then let's see, I'm gonna have to go back and look at the pictures. Y'all, I can never find date codes in bags. I promise I can't. But I did see it in the picture. I believe it was in this part. Yeah, it's somewhere in this compartment because it was written on leather. But yeah, somewhere in this part it says like VI 1901. Which is my birthday month and year. So y'all, I am super excited about this bag. It was definitely, like I said, something that I've been looking for years, since I basically discovered Louis Vuitton and date codes and everything like that. So what I think I want to do, I think I want to use her a little bit first, but I do think that I want to get this leather. If you can see the leather, like definitely watermarks or whatever was spilled on there. Yeah, I think I want to get the leather replaced. The handles are actually not bad. But yeah, I think I just want to get all of the leather replaced, just to, you know, just cause this is definitely a bag that's gonna be always in my collection because it's my birthday bag. So The first thing I'm gonna do, y'all, when I'm getting bags is, let's see, where did I put it? I take some baby wipes. I use the Huggies Natural Care. So you want to make sure that when you're doing this is sensitive, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, paraben-free, hypoallergenic, all of that, especially the heavy on the alcohol, y'all. Heavy on the no alcohol, okay? Don't put alcohol in your bags. And I'm gonna tell you how I know that you shouldn't put alcohol on your bags. So, once upon a time, younger Hadassah got like a spot on her bag, and I know that like alcohol like takes stuff out. So I was like, oh, I'll put some alcohol on it and that'll get it out. It got it out all right. It also took the color off the bag. Okay, just took the color right on off. So you definitely don't want to do that. And then also, I'm just wiping down this leather right here. Also, alcohol, like this leather part, it will dry it out. So you don't want to dry out your bags either. So make sure you're getting the right thing if you're going to be doing this, y'all. So I'm wiping down the leather and it'll dry. Obviously this is wetting it up. But yeah, that is the first thing. I mean, you need to clean your bags, y'all. Clean your bags. Don't just buy stuff, especially vintage. You're buying new out the store, you know, do you? But vintage bags, which I'm a huge proponent of. I'm a huge proponent of buying vintage bags. But you gotta clean. Y'all be clean. Don't be dirty. Don't be nasty. Okay, clean your bags because they're dirty. Like the first time you do this, like ever, like your first vintage bag and you do it, you're gonna be slightly disgusted by how much dirt is on there. But it's because, you know, people don't clean their bags. So, oh, also, it came with the luggage tag. I don't know if I showed y'all that or not, but it came with the luggage tag. So, yeah, I'm just gonna finish cleaning my bag. I love it. Thanks for sharing this moment with me. As always, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram, the whole 9 yards. Oh, follow me over on TikTok because sometimes I do fun stuff over there too. Same name as here. Y'all, it's the same name everywhere. But anyway, if you have a birthday bag or if you're on the hunt for a birthday bag, let me know down in the comments because I want to know what are y'all planning on getting for y'all's birthday bags, okay? And just to clarify, this isn't a bag that is like for my birthday, like a birthday present for myself. This is a just regular, I was gonna get this bag at any point in the year. It's not related to my birthday except for the date. You know, the date I was like, okay, this is my birthday bag, but it's not specifically for my birthday. I hope that makes sense. But anyway, drop down in the comments below and let me know what y'all think about this concept of birthday bags and if it's something that's on your wish list as well.